How is your passion for holiness? Do you delight in the things that God delights about? Do you derive pleasure in the things that God also finds pleasure from? We cannot be nonchalant or disconnected about it. Hindi pa pwede na sa panahon ng revival, yung ikinalulungkot ng Diyos, yun naman ang iyong ikinasisiya. Na yung hindi ikinalulugod ng Diyos, yun naman ang iyong inaaprubahan. There cannot be a disconnect. Holiness is actually separation. Separation from what is evil, what is wicked, what is a contaminant, what is poisonous and toxic to our soul. We have to separate from those things and from those sources, and we embrace and we celebrate everything that God approves. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng kabanalan. Ikinasisiya mo ang mga bagay na ikinasisiya ng Diyos. Yung kinaluluguran ng Diyos, yun din ang iyong kinaluluguran.